ஆமாடா வீட்டுக்குள்ள போலான்றேன். இங்கே உட்காந்து இவர் ஆப்போசிட் லைட்டாக பிச்சாவர மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு. ஹாய் மார்க். ஹாய் ப்ரோ. ஹாய். பிச்சாவரம் தான்டா இது, அதே மாதிரி இருக்குடா.
Sail out. Okay. Then we'll come back.
Yeah, sure.
And so Nitish is my crew member.
Okay.
He will be assisting, helping. So the whole idea while sailing is we'll switch off the engine. So then only wind sails. And during that time we use only the ropes to control, So Nitish will be helping with the ropes and everything.
So yeah, good name, sir.
My name is Filio.
Nice meeting you.
Your names I don't.
Mutturama Krishnan, nice.
Mutturama?
Nitish.
Nitish. Oh, like him. Okay. So if I tell Nitish do this, you stay seated.
You're from?
Italy, but born here, lived here only.
Okay. Pondicherry.
Pondicherry, yes. Yeah. Okay. So best is to stay seated. If you want to move around, then you just tell me.
Okay.
And I may also ask you to move around in case the boat balance has to be managed.
Okay.
Then I may ask you to change sides.
Yeah, sure.
Balance का side मत पड़ना.
Put the single boat down. This goes down.
What is this?
Center board. So give a counterbalance to the board. When we hoist the sail, then it tends to tilt on one side, so that will prevent.
Okay.
And also give us a forward movement while it avoid drifting. Like this.
Do you want a picture of yourself from the back?
Yeah, sure.
என்னத்த போட்டானுன்னு தெரியல.
மூவாயிரம் அப்படியே சீக்கிரம் போயிடும்.
ஓப்பா இன்ஜின் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இதில் மூவ் ஆகுதா? ஏறலாம்.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. More. A little more. Okay.
கடல் நடுவுல தேசி.
Actually, we have been planning this for some time.
You've been planning this for some time?
Once I was in Pondy Marina, we saw this sail going by, and we were searching
Yeah,
on the
we searched the
internet.
internet and find this.
Last time we went for surfing, so this time we thought that we would try something different. So now
You're not from Pondicherry, no?
No, we are from German college, studying college.
doing our medical degree, medicine degree.
Okay, all right. We get quite a few doctors actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, from the
Yeah,
Chipper.
our college also, many people don't know about this place. If we go and other people should follow us and come.
Yeah, a lot of people have come from Chipper and Mahatma Gandhi.
For sailing.
Yeah.
That's nice. Basically, this guy is gonna put this on YouTube, so yeah.
Okay, all right.
செம்ம ஹைட்டாக இருக்குல்ல. மீன் பிடிக்கிற போட்டு போகிறேன்.
For the other boats, but we got this about 2 years ago.
Is that like your hobby or?
So, yeah, it was a hobby for a long time. It still is a hobby. But then, so we set up a sailing association, like sailing club here,
Okay.
about 12 years ago.
Okay.
So then that was actually non-commercial, only for members. But then a lot of people started asking us, you know, they want to experience, like people who are not members,
Yeah.
like yourselves, who are visiting. And so we would turn them away and say, no, sorry, we can't accommodate you. Then it became so many people asking us, and we said, you know, why turn them away? People are wanting an experience, let's give it to them.
That's a really good initiative, I'd say.
Sorry?
Really good initiative.
Yeah, so then we enjoy doing this. People enjoy sailing, getting the experience.
I used to see these on movies, but like this is the first
And
time
it's
I
very
experienced
unique.
it on.
You don't get it commonly along the Indian shore. You know?
Yeah. It's very rare, I guess.
Very rare, yeah, exactly. And it
எனக்கு அங்கே பீச் இருக்கு பாடுறா ராக் பீச்சு எல்லாம் பார்த்து போயிடலாம். Which is Pondy Marina.
Yeah, from there only you saw this.
Yeah. That's how I came to know about this. I was standing there actually. So you guys are coming with this. Yeah, on the tip, near the tip. Okay. I saw this sail, so yeah, I thought maybe I should do this sometime.
Today you are in it.
Yeah.
Today you are in the boat, others are
Really happy about it.
Engine is off now.
Yeah.
You will see like no.
And you're lucky, conditions are not much.
வா கடலில் வந்துட்டோம்.
Lately the conditions have been very irregular. Oh, Nitish, nothing has to be loosened before you do the gym. Loosen.
Now I have a engine.
And later on I think Furl it, I think, Nitish. Furl it. Nitish, furl it. Furl. You can manage?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, if you can manage, fine. Otherwise, furl it. My second time it's come up.
Just
If you can unlock that, yeah. Just lift up the rope. Lift it up.
yeah.
வா கடல்.
Yeah. Wind is quite strong. Okay, we have to sail.
Top-notch conditions,
Top notch. We've not had conditions like this since at least I think 2 months. So if you want,
Yeah.
you can also sit in the front at the bow.
Okay.
Okay, Nitish will show you how it's done.
Okay.
Okay.
So first you stand
You'll
like
not
this.
stand up.
Okay.
Sit there. Take your left arm.
இங்கே பயங்கரமாக இருக்கு. அதனால ஒரு டைம் லாஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
So one by one, okay, you're not.
Yeah, I can see like that.
Very easy to manage.
வீடியோ பயமாக இருக்குடா. கிடைக்குதியா ரிங்கில்
Once
போடுறா.
you can settle down, then you can. Better sit higher up, yeah. Sit higher up.
Here.
And yeah, you can dangle your feet.
This. வரேன். ஏய் திரும்படா.
பார்த்து போடா.
10 minutes will stop. You can sit here. You'll get a good view. slowly. Sit here first. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Keep your hands free.
நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Yeah, but fine.
வீடியோ போட்டோ மாற்றிக்கலாம். நல்லா இருக்குல்ல வியூ அங்கே.
Yeah, also.
நாளை அடிக்கிறாங்க. வச்சு வளைக்கிறாங்க போட்டு.
That's okay. Loose, yeah, little loose. Okay. Okay, if you want to go back in front, you can go again. If you want to go.
This side.
Nitish, little tighter
this
in the
side.
jib. Little tighter. Like 1 inch. Just to, let's stop smoking. Yeah. Filters are okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
சிபிட்டடா டக்குனு சிபிட் அது பார்க்குறேன்.
இப்போ தான் நான் வந்தேன்.
நான் போட்டுப்போம்.
நடு கடலில் இருக்கும் இப்போ சுற்றி ஒன்று.
Full pressure.
பெரிய போட்டு மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல.
Hello. The chip sheet loose. you keep the cables apart.
முடிச்சிடலாம் வா. எப்படி இருந்துச்சு போட்டிங்க?
சும்மா வேற மாதிரி மச்சி.
என்ன சீ சிக்னஸ்லாம்? கோல்டன் அது பெட்ரோல் மாதிரியா இருக்கு.
Enjoyed your sail?
Yeah, thoroughly.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice. Best sails of the month. Huh? You enjoyed today?
கோல்டன் இல்லடா இது.
They had actually seen us sailing from the jetty.
Okay.
Also, we came by Pondy. We used to come frequently.
Nice.
This time we thought.
Weekends in Pondy, it's fun.
Yeah.
Lots to do, no? From
Yeah.
Chidambaram at least it's a little change.
Yeah, of course.
So he wants to put everything on YouTube.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
We actually used to go on a lot of trips, but we haven't posted anything. So we thought that we could start it right now.
Okay. Like a blog.
Yeah.
It's an amazing thing because we realize that it's so unique as an experience.
Yeah.
People love it, and they get connected to nature. They get an experience which is
Like it's so serene. Like when you go into the sea, it's
yes,
so serene and
yes.
calm.
And every age enjoys it. You know.
Yeah.
We thought that it would be only for the young and all, but we have seen people come with their parents, grandparents, and everybody has enjoyed this experience. So. It's also very rewarding for us, no, to see people go back happy. So it's like, and also get connected to nature. So you start understanding
Yeah,
the
that's the main
environment.
thing,
People
actually.
don't even know that actually we are sitting right now on an island.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Tengatittu is an island in Pondicherry. It's the biggest island in Pondy and nobody knows
Okay.
about
Now
it.
only I'm realizing
Yes.
that actually.
So, you know, so close by, natural heritage where we have our mangroves here. You know, this has been all planted by an NGO after COVID.
Okay.
So it's hardly anybody knows about it.